What are the benefits of formatting a flash drive? Formatting is something most users don't even think about. Their use only entails plugging it into a port and transferring files for storage. However, it can be beneficial to you to format your drive. Formatting a flash drive is the best way to prepare the USB drive for use by a computer. It creates a filing system that organizes your data while freeing more space to allow for additional storage. This ultimately optimizes the performance of your flash drive. Formatting also helps erase all data previously stored on the flash drive, and may be used as a last-ditch effort for troubleshooting when other methods fail. Flash drive formatting has numerous benefits. First, it's the most effective way to wipe data from the flash drive with speed and efficiency. Another benefit is that you can customize security settings such as user permission on certain files. You can compress files so more space is usable on the custom flash drive. Find out more about flash drives in Atlanta, Georgia, by calling the professionals at Every USB at 886-458-8415 or go to our website at everyusb.com.